Hi, I'm Kris Oldland, editor of Field Service News. Now there's no denying that technology can play a huge role in making sure that a field service division operates both efficiently and productivity levels remain high, first time fix rates are improved, and so on and so forth. Technology is our friend, we know that. But don't forget, our customers are also becoming more technology focused. They're used to social media. They're used to having the information that they want on demand 24/7. And this in itself brings a new set of challenges for field service organisations. So how do we overcome these challenges? And also, what are the considerations that we should be thinking about as we look to invest in technology? There are a huge array of options around. What should we be considering, seeing as that the technology seems to evolve at pace, seemingly faster and faster every year? To help us with some of these answers, I've spoken to Giles Margerison from TomTom Telematics, based in London. Given that you're somebody that's speaking to a number of different service directors, service managers, IT directors and so on and so forth, what are the biggest challenges that are coming forward to you that you're finding people are saying, hey, this is what we need a solution for?
Well, when I'm talking to customers and potential customers from the service sector, they constantly talk about the pace of change and how we as consumers have adjusted our requirements to service industry. It used to be that we would expect to have a service or a delivery in a day, then it was a morning or an afternoon, and now really we expect a 1 or 2 hour time slot to have that service provided or delivered to us. And that represents a huge challenge for that industry, because they need to keep pace so that they stay in line with their competitors, but also they need a lot of help from technology to be able to provide those services, to be able to deliver 1 or 2 hour time slots, which is in line with consumers' expectations. And that means understanding, having information flowing in real time, and being able to move information around instantly so that those levels of service can be delivered.
So with these kind of current challenges, I'm assuming a lot of the conversation you have are rolling around solutions as well, given your point in the industry. What are you advising people in the market?
Well, service companies are looking to provide technology, and a blend of technologies that help them achieve the objectives of their customers so that they keep their customers happy and provide really cutting edge levels of service. And to be able to achieve that, they're looking to find partners, industry technology partners, that they can form long-term relationships with. They're looking for stability from those partners, financially of course, but also that their research and development teams are constantly keeping a pace with technology to deliver the very latest solutions and make them available for their customers, so that as technology develops, they keep pace with those developments in technology, but also that it's robust, reliable and safe and secure. Data security is one of the key issues that we hear about all the time, and those customers are looking to understand that technology conforms with data protection, that they have the latest certifications from people like ISO to deliver those data security standards that they're looking to keep pace with, as well as the technology.
You mentioned at the top there a blend of technologies. Can I take you back to that point a little bit, and could you clarify what you mean there? What is that blend?
Yeah, so customers are talking to us now more and more about a blend of technology to provide solutions for their customers. So what we mean by that is, I think previously customers have tended to buy technology solutions in silos. So they would look for tools for their customer relationship management, for planning work, or it might be for planning routing and scheduling, and then they would look at finding a technology solution such as ours for tracking the vehicle, seeing what's happening in real time. So the customer's demand now is that those technologies work together, they talk to each other, and that's what we mean by having an API, is that those technologies can talk to each other and take away that manual work from customers to make things happen much more quickly. So I think the first thing that the industry brought to market was what we call an API for our back end or our online platform. So the online platform is where our customers go to see where their vehicles are, to look at history, to understand dashboards and reporting, and to see what their fleet's doing both in real time and what it's done historically, and to manage behaviours around vehicle utilisation, how vehicles are being operated and how services are being delivered to customers. So that was the first kind of level of integration that was available to customers, and that meant their back office systems could tie in. But we've now got new APIs, so our hardware now has APIs, so that our hardware that we place in vehicles can talk to other equipment that's in vehicles, and field-based service companies are using already in the field, such as, it could be almost anything you can think of. It could be digital pens, barcode scanners, RFID tag readers, or any other in-vehicle equipment. Could be onboard printing, things such as that. So that's where our latest APIs are, in that we can integrate actual other technology that's being used in the field by those customers. And then most recently, and what we're bringing to market now, is our Pro.Connect, which is where we're looking at the navigation screen in vehicle, consolidating devices in vehicles to one device, and we have an Android-based ruggedized system that provides all the navigation tools that we're very well known for, but also all the other business tools such as job delivery. But it allows developers to build any other applications on that device. Now, they could be as simple as driver daily checks, they could be more complicated workflow, attaching photos to jobs, or allowing engineers to see more complicated drawings. It could be really anything you can imagine, but it allows customers to integrate things from back office, from equipment in field, and indeed consolidating devices to single screen devices that can perform many functions.
And finally, Giles, just to touch on some of the considerations we should make with service management solutions in general. I mean, is there such a thing as an off-the-shelf package that we should be looking at? Are there things that we should be expecting to be incorporated into any service management solution, any mobile workforce management solution that we can anticipate?
What we find talking to customers is that there isn't one off-the-shelf solution that ticks every box. In fact, it would be wrong to try and develop that, because every vertical market, every customer has their own specific needs and areas they wish to address more strongly. And what we advise is that there are many market leaders out there in specific vertical marketplaces providing really great technology that we wouldn't want to try and replicate or reinvent the wheel. If great solutions are out there that suit that customer, then what we as technology providers should do is work together to make sure that those systems integrate. So we're building a whole raft of partners, and we have many partners, industry leading in many different verticals with different types of technology solutions that we can blend together, that already seamlessly talk to each other, so customers can choose the best of breed for their particular needs, and we will work together with those customers. We've provided our Webfleet.Connect platform to tie up the back end, our online solutions. We have Link.Connect, which allows hardware to talk to other hardware, and we have Pro.Connect, which allows the single screen, the single device that an engineer or service provider can use, and we can blend all the technologies together and work with amazing partners throughout in all different industries to make sure that we deliver exactly what the customer wants.
So many thanks to Giles Margerison joining us there from the TomTom Telematics London office. I've been Kris, editor of Field Service News. Stay tuned for further video updates, as well as all the usual great content you'll find on fieldservicenews.com. Until next time, thanks a lot, and we'll see you again. Bye bye.